Hey guys, it's Amando's Stories, and today we're gonna open this giant package who came in the mail. So there's a lot of paper. You can't see anything, but it looks like this. So what came in the mail is my brand new book that I did with my mom, and they look like this. I have two, and they look like this. Side, it's called Golden Bubbles, from Roxana Elena Volniku, illustrated by Aveline Avastosu. That's me. So